Hello, Jeff Hacker with Bayside Property Management and Leasing located in Sausalito, California. Today's blog is on rules and regulations that affect rental properties. There are many laws and regulations that affect rental properties, including regulatory measures that protect the rights of tenants, federal laws that set minimum standards to ensure quality in rental housing, and state and local statutes that supplement the federal legislation. Today, we are sharing information about some of the current housing laws. There is the Americans with Disability Act. This act establishes accessibility guidelines for public and commercial properties. It can include single-family homes as well as multi-unit complexes. The Unruh Civil Rights Act. This act is a California law that prohibits discrimination in the rental, leasing, and sale of properties. There are ordinances and civil codes on guide, assistant, and therapy animals. Today's hot topic is comfort animals. There is the Fair Credit Reporting Act. This applies to any situation in which a consumer applies for credit. There is the FTC privacy rules. These rules establish guidelines to ensure the protection of a consumer's information. You have the Fair Housing Act. This act provides protection against discriminatory housing practices based on race, sex, religion, color, handicap, national origin, and family status. The restrictions and discriminations covered in this act are quite extensive, and a lack of understanding in this act can lead to multiple repercussions if the mandates of this act are not carefully considered. There is the Uniform Residential Landlord and Tenant Act. This act establishes the basis for most lease agreements as well as outlines the responsibilities of landlords and tenants. There are also numerous environmental safety laws. Rental properties are required to meet the standards of many of these, including the National Environmental Policy Act, the Toxic Substances Control Act, the Lead-Based Paint Hazard Reduction Act, and the Asbestos Hazard Emergency Response Act. Each of the laws mentioned in today's blog has its own agency and/or agencies in the case of federal and state overlap. Not complying with any of them can be costly. A property manager should be up to speed on all laws and regulations and can help ensure compliance. If you have any questions regarding this blog or about property management, please contact Bayside Management. Thank you for watching and have a great day.